Hi, I'm John, I'm 19, I'm from Scotland and I'm a returning volunteer.
I've volunteered 3 times at the Giraudière. I first volunteered with my mum because she thought it'd be a good idea to get work experience, meet new people and learn about a new culture. After the first year, I had such a good time here that I had to come another time and again. I enjoy the lifestyle here because it's very easygoing and it's easy enough to get on with other people. Favourite memory is probably in the first year when we went to the music festival down at the lake and there was over 5,000 people there. Favourite things to do here is maintain the garden, which means clearing the grass, clearing the space of wood, trimming trees, cutting trees, all sorts. This is Henry, he's from Britain, he's a beast.